How to fix cellular data not working on iPhone after iOS 18. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix cellular data issues after the iOS 18 update. Let's dive right in and get your data working again. First, let's start by checking your cellular data settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen, press and hold the network slider, and make sure the cellular data setting is connected to the correct SIM card, especially if you're using multiple SIMs. This ensures that your cellular data is linked to the right network provider. Next, go into your network settings and make sure Network Selection is set to automatic. While you're there, tap on Voice and Data and select the best available network, whether that's 4G or 5G, based on your network support and location. If you're still having trouble, try a quick reset by toggling airplane mode. Swipe down, turn on airplane mode, wait for about 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back off and see if this refreshes your connection. Next up, let's restart your iPhone. Open Settings, click General and scroll all the way down. Click Shutdown. Wait for a few seconds and again restart by clicking Power button. Alternatively, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then hold down the power button until the phone restarts. If nothing else has worked, it's time to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase all network-related settings and return them to default, so be sure to have your Wi-Fi passwords handy to reconnect afterward. Once you've completed these steps, your cellular data should be working smoothly again. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.